So hello everyone, I am Sameer and today we are going to work on this requirement like prevent deletion of account where rating is equal to hot. So we have to use the apex trigger, and by using that we have to prevent deletion of the account where rating is hot. Let me show you first. Suppose this is an account, and if I want to delete this account, suppose test now, let's open any, and the requirement is that if in the like field, if we have the if this rating is cold, but what if this rating is hot, and if someone want to delete, just throw an error and the prevent deletion. So for that we have a total of the apex trigger. This is one of the class. Let me enter the full screen mode. Yeah, here it is. So here we have account trigger, and then we have a trigger handler that we are going to use. So in this account trigger, we have to use this before delete, and it is written there. So let's write if condition, if before, if trigger dot is delete, and it should be is delete and is trigger dot is before. So this is the condition that it was also in some other requirement also, but let's make it fresh one. So if let me do some zoom. Yeah, if trigger dot is delete, if the record is being deleted and the trigger dot is before, and if the trigger is running before, then this condition will be matched, and then the function will be called, the method will be called. So account trigger handler dot prevent deletion, and let's take one name like rating. Prevent deletion on the basis of rating, we are defining the, like we are calling the method, and this method is still not defined, but we will define it, and we'll pass trigger dot new, and trigger dot new is the context variable. So for now this file will not be saved because trigger prevent deletion rating is this method is not yet defined. So we'll define this method, public static void, and then this is the name of the method. Okay, and in that trigger dot new is passing, that is basically a list of what, list of account, and in that account we are just giving it the name ACC list. And now this ACC list will receive trigger dot new, and now what we have to do, we have to use one condition, ACC list. If ACC list is not equal to null, and let's see the and operator, and we can also like ACC list dot is empty, and we are taking the note of that, like when it will be not empty, then only it will enter in this block. So this is a basic validation that we are trying to do, and now we assume that ACC list have some value, and in that what we have to check, the requirement is that the where rating is equal to hot, then only prevent deletion. So now we'll use a loop for account ACC and ACC list. Every we'll iterate through each and every record whatever we are getting. If ACC dot rating is equal to hot, if then only what we have to do, let me do ACC dot add error, and what error we are adding, like you can't cannot delete the hot rated account. Yeah, it is what it should be, and we are going to save this. So let's understand what's happening till now. It is getting saved. So if something is deleted and if the trigger is running like it's before, then we are trying to call this account trigger handler and this method like prevent deletion rating. And here okay, it is saving. Just a network slow. Now in trigger account trigger handler, what it is happening? We are getting ACC list, and if ACC list is having some value, then we are iterating through each and every value, and if we are checking if rating ACC dot rating is equal to hot, if it is hot, then only ACC dot add error, otherwise it will be deleted. So I think it's time to check. Let's try. Let's test two things. Suppose this is one of the account where we have the cold rating and we are trying to delete this. So now let me make it here. Now if I will delete this, it is like deleted. So it will take some time because of the network is slow. And now if I will try to, okay, it is deleted. Now let's take another example like test of, it is hot, rating is hot. If I will try to delete this, do you want to delete this account? Yes. Rating is hot, then our trigger will be activated. Okay, our trigger did not get activated. Let's check what's happening wrong there. If, okay, for account ACC list, if ACC dot rating is equal to hot, then ACC dot add error, we cannot delete the account. The code is saved. Then why it is not running? Here let's check the trigger. If trigger dot is deleted, is delete, yes it is, and trigger dot is before. Okay, account trigger handler prevent deletion trigger dot new. Okay, I think yeah, if we are deleting, we are not going to pass the trigger dot new. We are going to pass the trigger dot old, because in like when you are deleting something, there is no any thing like trigger dot new. So I just remembered. Now let's go. Yeah, in our detail, see it is hot rated, and if I will try to let's move this camera here. If I will try to delete this, so it should throw an error. You cannot delete the hot rated account. So this was the error. Like we can in the trigger, like whenever we are going for the delete. So there is in a trigger context variable, we don't have trigger dot new. We have trigger dot old, or we have trigger dot old map. So these are the only thing that we have. So this was error here. So we also found the error, and we also fixed that. So by now we have completed this requirement.